Ghana's insurance market is set to see both life and non-life insurance growth at double digits over the medium term. Overall insurance penetration is projected to remain at 1% due to the population's lack of understanding of the benefits of life and non-life insurance coverage. Joy Business's James Ishen has been exploring some misconceptions of insurance among Ghana's informal sector players and comes through with this report.
The market size of insurance sector in Ghana is being projected to reach almost 2.69 billion cedis in 2024. Now, and this is according to Statista.com. The insurance sector in our part of the world had been experiencing quite a number of issues. We're having issues with coverage, we're having issues with penetration, some are having issues with claim payments and all that. And the insurance sector itself seems to be progressing, or there had been some progressive growth when it comes to our insurance sector in Ghana. So we are here currently at the Kwame Nkrumah Circle to engage the informal sector players to know what they make of insurance, their experience so far with respect to insurance. So follow me as we do more on this particular insurance bit.
Priscilla signed up for an insurance package with the expectation of getting her money after an unforeseen circumstance, but tells me she was shortchanged.
I don't fancy insurance again because I was serving with one of the banks, and one of the tellers said that I should do insurance because I'm always come to the bank, and it's okay, fine. So they did hospital policy for me, so they pay me through that bank. So every month they will just deduct 50 cedis from my pay for 2 months with some 6 months or something. So that the 2 months reached, I went to the bank to ask for my money. They said that unless I've been admitted at the hospital with receipts and those things. So I told my boss not to pay me through that bank again. So now I don't fancy that insurance, and I don't believe in that because it's a scam.
You spoke about it being a scam. When you're going to sign up onto that insurance package, what were some of the information being given to you?
Actually, I'll blame the person who did it for me because maybe she wants clients. So she didn't explain it into deep for me, but if she did, I'll not do it. I'll never do it because if they said in case if I'm sick and I've been to the government hospital before, they'll give me my money, like, I won't do it.
So what do you make of insurance general based on your experience?
Oh, it's a scam.
But there are other people too who also end up benefiting from insurance.
It depends on the policy the person is doing, and it will depend on the person who wants to fill the forms for you and do everything for you.
The National Insurance Commission has admitted that low education on insurance is partly to be blamed for the country's low insurance coverage. This is because many individuals lack the knowledge of the need to insure or invest in insurance.
Insurance dwells a lot on education. And people tend to buy or spend their monies on what they appreciate, what they understand, and what gives value to them.
For national service personnel like Linda, want more to be done to improve the sector.
I actually went to the bank to create an account so I could be paying my school fees, and then I was approached over there. I don't know if it was an educational but I think I was told that every month I think 100 cedis will be deducted from my account, and then after 3 years or 4 years I could withdraw or something like that.
But you've not followed up?
I've not followed up, and no one is following up, so I don't even know what happened to my money. You know, majority of us are not educated with regards to that. So I think that, even if you approach me and I say yes, you should do a follow-up, be sending text messages, oh, this is what's going on, your account, or like something, just be engaging us. I think that should help.
Thomas Labi, a car rental dealer, commended the sector players, but calls for more streamlined activities of the sector.
I'm using so many cars, and the insurance, when you do the comprehensive, it helps you a lot.
Meanwhile, the Ghana Insurance Association has revealed that the inconsistent exchange rate regime has affected the payment of some claims to customers.
We have this mindset to say it's like susu we are doing. But here's a situation where we are taking fractions and paying out whole numbers. So it's a very challenging situation.
Osei, a taxi driver, has been driving for over 30 years now. He's pleased with the state of insurance in Ghana. Meanwhile, he's calling on the sector players to fish out fraudulent persons within the sector.
insurance me feel say yeah. Na yen drivers no yen ye ma insurance companies no enyom. If say unya accident unko for claims o say omi ameye. Why sir who so utia insurance? I say BBC uko report mom. Most of the drivers ni enko. Into there be a my insurance firm no omu gain free drivers. Me say no my driver over 40 something years. Me nya accident me demand insurance. Any claims no sumeji. If you say me the one day any insurance.
Ebinu ka say insurance infaso bi eniso. What do you make of that?
Infaso insurance.
What he's basically saying is there are a lot of benefits when it comes to insurance in our part of the world, but it appears the responsibility is on the side of the ordinary Ghanaian or the driver that had to make sure that his claims are being paid and also these claims are being streamlined in a way that would suit him. These are some of the concerns some of the drivers here are raising. I've been engaging some other Ghanaians who are also involved in other sectors of the economy, and some actually tell me the insurance sector has a lot of work to do. Meanwhile, others are also saying they benefit from insurance. So it's more or less a mixed reaction from these section of Ghanaians when it comes to insurance. For Joy Business, James Ishen.